Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ammr.asyraf bin Usman. I'm from Korea. This is my circuit. I want to present to you about my circuit. And then this is a lamp, 3 lamp, and smart switch, and 2 switch, 2-way, and smart socket, and socket. Okay, then this is DB. Okay, first, I want to open the 2-way socket, 2 lamp off, and this is to close the lamp. And then I on properly, and lamp to on. And then I use this to on socket, and then switch, smart switch on this, and then I off to socket and switch. I use access voice. Okay, I use Google Home to on a switch and socket to use voice. Okay, turn on the switch too.
Sure, turning the switch 2 on.
Turn off the switch too.
Alright, turning off the switch 2.
Then
Sorry,
off.
it looks like...
Turn on the socket 3.
Sure, turning on socket 3.
And then turn off socket. Turn off socket 3.
Sure, turning off socket 3.
Okay, that's from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Ammr.asyraf bin Usman. So I will be present safety and sustainability in electrical technician work. This presentation explains the importance of personal protective equipment (PPE), safety ethics, and the key role of technician in supporting environmental sustainability in the electrical field. We provide practical guidance for electrical technician, student, and IoT course participant. So we go to the next slide. PPE and work attack use shield and guide. Mandatory PPE use. Wearing the right personal PPE, this must it protect you from danger and keep you safe during every touch. Okay, number one, safety boot, protect your feet from heavy item, sharp object, and critical risk. Number two, work closely, overall, wear non-flammable, well fitting clothes to avoid getting caught in equipment and to protect your body. Number three, insulate safety gloves. Important for electrical work to protect your hand from electric shock, cut, and switches. Number four, safety glass. Keep your eyes safe from spark, flying particles, and bright light. Go to the third slide. PPE procedures and maintenance are staying safe. Before use pre-work inspection, the crew checks your PPE before its use is critical for its inventories for any sign of wear and tear. Number one, inspect all PPE carefully. Example, boot, gloves, and other gear for damage, crack, or tear. Number two, visual correct, fit, and function. We'll verify that all PPE is the correct size and fully functional, providing maximum protective. protective. Number two, during use on-site protocol. Your PPE must be worn correctly and continually throughout the entire work session to provide constant protection. Number one, we are completely usually all PPE is worn properly continually during critical work. Intermediation for damage. If any PPE is damaged or malfunction, stop the work immediately and exit the area to replace it. So the energy efficient in electrical installation, integration, energy efficient device and practical practice into electrical installation is a cornerstone of environmental sustainability. It greatly reduce every energy consumption and minimizes our environmental footprint. Number one, smart energy bag energy consume significantly less energy, up to 90% less than traditional in case condition, but drastically reducing electricity demand and operating costs. Smart socket, auto auto automatically cut power when devices are not in use. Reduce energy loss. Okay, number three is smart space control application only when needed. You can save electricity and improve efficiency. Sustainable work processing and device. Beyond choosing native resources component in integrating such practice into every step of the electrical installation process in detail. This includes responsible was management and truthful tool selection. A key device for NK's sustainability is smart meter provide real-time electricity use data, helping user make the decision and reduce energy use. Correct conductor size using the right cable size prevents energy loss from overheating and keep the electrical system efficient. Sustainable critical work process. One cable was management cut cable accurately to was collect on the leftover cable insulation and it was sent them to proper recycling center. Auto use of rubber tools using strong, long-lasting to reduce the need for frequent replacement, lowering was and supporting sustainability. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.